Alright guys, so we have arrived. We're just waiting for them to come, and I think I hear them. Yep, that's them. Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything. I don't know what to say. Oh my
What
God.
is up, guys?
Okay.
Welcome back to my channel.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and go do a little car meets and don't be that guy at meets. Say hi.
We're gonna race tonight.
Yeah, we're racing a Kale here. How much is it making?
310.
Oh, you're gonna beat me. My shit's making 300. Like barely even 300. So I think you're.
310 crank.
I thought you were a professional driver though.
I'm not. I mean, I brought these shoes, but I don't think that's gonna help me.
We'll see. I have a heavy convertible, so.
Convertible. Tell us about your car. Is it a bone stock?
Stock. There's a couple suspension, but.
So do you think you're gonna win tonight, or are you gonna get gapped?
No way to find out.
He does have an automatic, and my shit's manual. So we'll see. If you get gapped, they're gonna sell your car after this.
No, that's my mom's car.
Oh, okay.
That's sentimental.
Wow, sentimental value. So we're not gonna sell it. And then we have the McLaren over here that pulled up. Alright guys, so we have the bone stock McLaren, 616 horsepower. We have my friend Brian's full bolt-on 85 Mustang. We have my Mustang, which is just an intake manifold, tune, and exhaust. And then we have the Camaro. He said it's making around 310, so we're gonna go ahead and race him. Let's see who wins. We have a Trackhawk that pulled up. He's the 85, and he has a pulley. So he's gonna go ahead and race the McLaren, and
Fans are fucking loud.
let's see who gets gapped. Oh, I keep thinking you have to look at up here. We have to look down here. Guys, we're just waiting for everyone to be ready to head out. I don't think we're gonna make it to a meet because they're lagging, but yeah, this is my sister, the G35 owner. If you guys want to see her do part 2 of my video, go ahead and comment it, and then we could film that. She'll be on the streets. Take out the recording. Yeah, it's time for me to gap you, Kel. Just kidding. Alright guys, we're finally heading out. Alright, it is 8:53. The meet starts at 9. We're gonna get there at 9:20. Corvette. This place is packed. You're gonna park on the side because there's no fucking parking. It's so fucking jammed in here. The noodles pulled up. This thing is pretty fucking clean. Oh shit. This rep is crazy. Supra. Packed as fuck.
Talk. I saw that.
Excuse me, Ryan.
Follow me at another shift.
Oh, it's perfect.
Oh yeah, you're smart as fuck. Look at Eric. Eric's smart as shit. Hold on. The X cop bike. drive it off.
You know you got the switch for him too. You put him on. You know you do.
Yeah.
Hit the lights.
Hit the lights. Hit the lights.
Oh, the cops right there. Oh, the cop's going around. She's gonna go get everyone who's going that way. You see that cop? Oh, look at the cop. Look at that. Damn, go get him. Tell him a 60 ball. 60! That was a good one. The cars are coming. Literally, the cars are coming.
So my conclusion on me versus Alma. It depends who gets the jump, and it depends on my transmission wants to shift. So it's pretty close. So in a couple of our runs, obviously my transmission didn't shift, so Alma probably flew by me, I would assume.
I gapped you.
That was horrible. That'll be fun.
So what do you have done to the car?
It's stock. I just have some suspension and a oil muffler.
And how much does it make?
315.
315. My shit's making, I'm just gonna round out to 300, but yeah, it's automatic. It is a, what year is this?
99.
Is it what?
99.
Oh, it's a 99. Oh damn. Pretty, and it's a convertible too. Pretty long car.
315. What the fuck?
Bro, you'd be faster if you're on a 295. I'll tell you
Dude,
that.
put 285s on it, less weight, and you pick up 15 more horsepower, just like that.
And then you beat the shit out of it.
Why so wide? You know what? I like how these wide ears. Holy shit, dude! 315s is
It's
like
bigger than what I got on the McLaren.
Yeah. Dude, you don't have any traction issues, huh? There's none. Honestly, you have to try really hard to like break it loose. With these tires, they're great. They're just go. Yeah, you don't have any. My old tires, well, they were old. I can't believe that, man. That's, why didn't you use the thoughts body? Wide enough for it. Yeah.
On the McLaren, 235.
Yeah, but you know what though? You don't have any weight over the front, so
Yeah.
it's a little bit different, but still. Yeah, hug those corners so good.
What was that? What did I play? Oh, bobby pin.
I'm exploring.
Because you're way too close.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go home. It was a good night in Mexico. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did have fun in Mexico, and we had fun playing with Kale's Camaro SS. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. Let me know if you guys would be interested in more vlog style videos, or just what other kind of videos you guys would be interested in. I do want to expand this channel to not only be car related, but hopefully to be more style, more vlog style channel. Go ahead and comment down below if that's something you guys would like to see more on this channel. So until next video, peace.